Samsung had a very good time in this year with their Galaxy S10 and Galaxy Note 10 series phone. Even though the Galaxy Fold was a complete disaster, they got a lot of praises for this phone. In fact, it was one of the most innovative phones of this year. Although the phone was bulky, uncomfortable to hold or carry, and very expensive, while its folding display was not durable since it was made of plastic. Its initial release was so disastrous that Samsung had to recall all the phones from the market and relaunch it again after durability improvements to the hinge, display cap, and screen. Although when Samsung first teased their foldable phone, Chinese manufacturer Huawei and Xiaomi also teased their version of foldable phones. However, only Samsung was able to release a fully functioning foldable phone and has reportedly sold over 500,000 foldable phones. When DJ Ho, CEO of Samsung Telecommunications, unveiled the Galaxy Fold phone, the world saw a new dimension of smartphone. A foldable display was quite unfamiliar and got everyone's attention instantly. Today, we will be talking about the Galaxy Fold 2, which is the new hype in the smartphone industry. Even after all the fiasco with Galaxy Fold, Samsung considers it as a success and they're expecting to sell 6 million foldable phones next year. We got this official sneak peek of the Fold 2 last month at the Samsung Developers Conference. There are still many questions regarding the phone's design and specification. The early rumors suggest that the second generation of Galaxy Fold may come with a Motorola Razr-like design. Rendered image shows that the Fold 2 will be a vertically folding smartphone. Few days ago, Samsung Africa's site, which referred to an unannounced device with model number SMF700F. Sam Mobile reported the claim of the next folding phone with the same serial number and they verified the claim recently. The rumor also suggests that the phone will have 6.7-inch display. Samsung may release its next generation foldable phone with bendable scratch-resistant glass display. According to Korean news site ED News, Samsung has reportedly signed a deal with Dowo Insys. Dowo Insys will mass-produce their ultra-thin glass for Samsung Fold 2, opening new horizon for foldable smartphone. The original Fold phone's display is made of plastic and gets scratches easily. There will also likely to be a secondary display on the Fold 2. The Fold 2 is most likely to have punch-hole selfie camera and slimmer body than the original one. Another rumor from Sam Mobile suggests that the Fold 2 might introduce Samsung's under-display camera technology, which is also less likely to happen since Samsung is hoping to make big sale. Thus, it is unlikely for Samsung to take risks on the Fold 2. Instead, they could go with technology that already works. There is also rumors suggesting that the folding phone may work with stylus. The news is not confirmed yet, however, it makes sense for a larger display. There is no expectation of external memory slot, but internal memory for the phone may start from 256 GB and there could be two more variants of 512 GB and 1 TB. Fold 2 will most definitely come with fast charging support and wireless fast charging. Most companies are already testing 40W and 60W fast charging. Chinese manufacturer Xiaomi even showed off 100W fast charging. So the Fold 2 could feature 25W fast charging at least and up to 40W maximum just to be on the safe side while charging faster. We are expecting the Fold 2 to be more affordable than its predecessor. Some reports suggest that the Fold 2 could arrive with a price tag of about $840. On the other hand, the original Fold has a price tag of $2,000. However, in my opinion, the price could be around $1,200. The second generation of Galaxy Fold is expected to be more powerful with latest chipset from Qualcomm, which is likely to be the Snapdragon 865 or the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. The Fold 2 is expected to arrive next year. Samsung may release this smartphone alongside the Galaxy S11 or Samsung may opt to announce the phone during another new event. Huawei and Motorola have their own folding phone which are competitors to Galaxy Fold. The Motorola Razr phone's shape is similar to existing phones on the market. Motorola phone has one advantage and that is when the phone is unfolded it looks like a regular phone that already exists in the market. The display is same as the other Android phones. On the other hand, the Galaxy Fold has both phone and tablet-like view and the phone is bulky and heavy, which results in inconvenience. But Samsung wants this phone to sell among people, and thus it requires a massive change in its design so that the phone becomes more practical. Since Motorola Razr is already out and gaining popularity, Samsung, following the footsteps of Motorola and giving Fold 2 a clamshell design, could be a great start. This year, we have seen foldable display phones from Samsung and Motorola, while dual display folding phones from LG and Microsoft. While dual display phones have shown great promises in practicality and productivity, there are still two different displays with continuity issues. Although with foldable display phones continuity isn't an issue, however, productivity and practicality is still an issue since there is not a lot of app that supports either dual display or foldable phones. In other words, foldable phone has a lot to cover to become a viable option, and next year could be the year we know for sure if they're here to stay or slowly disappear like the modular phones. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit like if you liked the video and share with your friends. Comment below your thoughts and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.